Dear students, good afternoon. Students, in previous class you learned the five kingdom system, that is the Protista, that is Monera, about the fungi and different characters of the different organisms. So students, after that you learn the next topic, that is virus. Students, today we all are suffering from a disease, that is the COVID-19. Every time you wear the mask, every time you hand wash, any do work you hand wash, always all the places are the sanitized, either the hospital, either the homes, either the living places, either another shops, every time sanitized for the safety of COVID-19. This COVID-19 infected all the world. How was the size of this virus? Only smaller than nanomicron the size of this virus. And this virus is the very infectious agent, or you can say the organisms found in our environment. This virus was first of all in Pasteur's J.D. Ivanovsky in 1892 found in the mosaic disease of the tobacco. And after that, W.M. Stanley in 1935 shows viruses could be crystallized. It is found in the form of crystal. So students, after that we learn the different characters of the viruses, general characters of the viruses. What are the general characters? First is the infectious agents. Students, only the virus is an organism or agent which having only harmful effect, either environment or human beings. And second, that is the exception of cell theory. Exception of cell theory means, students, you know what is the cell theory? In previous class you learned the cell theory is the basic unit of the cell life. And second, every cell comes from the pre-existing cells. So it is the exception of the cell theory because it no follows the rule of the cell theory. And after that, next is the study of viruses is called the virology. And next you learn the virus having the characters of living and non-living things. Only virus is an agent which are having living characters and non-living characters. After that you learn viruses reproduce only in the living form. Students, you know the different types of the non-living characters found in the virus, and different types of the living characters are also found in the viruses. Students, when the virus is found in our environment, it's showing the non-living characters, and when it found in our inside the body, that are inside the human beings, that is the living form characters. So students, you know what are the non-living characters? That non-living characters, first of all, is the lacking of the protoplasm. You see the virus having the no cell, and where there is no cell, so there is no protoplasm. And after ability to crystallize, the crystallization is the good ability of the virus, and crystallization is the non-living characters. Against inability of the independent for a living cells, lack of the functional autonomous, it cannot be changed to one to another, it can inability to lie independent. It means the virus cannot survive always in one form. It means you can say the virus having no any systems developed for the digestion, respiration, excretion or others. because there is no growth of the different types of the cells in the body. Students, there is found the absence of respiration, absence of the growth and reproduction, and absence of growth and division. Students, after that you learn the living nature of the viruses. Being the form of the organic macromolecules, presence of genetic material, there is found two types of the genetic material, DNA and RNA. RNA means ribonucleic acid, DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. It means RNA only found in the plant diseases, and DNA, either RNA, is found in the human beings or animal diseases. Students, you know about the different types of the occurrence of mutations. So you can see the change of the size of the virus is in this time, different type, that is called the mutations, or the changes in the genetic material one form to another form. So you are the very fear for the COVID-19 and the other viruses found in our environment. And after that, the infective stage host specificity. Infective stage is host specificity. It means, students, infection is found when the virus is found in your body. It means your body is host cell, and host cell suffering from the infection, and viruses killed by the autoclaving or the ultraviolet ray. So students are the guys, you always remember in this time your elders, your sisters, your mother, and always the elder people say you take the hot water, you take the hot substances for the immunity of the body. You can save in this way. For safety, the safety is necessary for the disease from an infectious body. So students, viruses are responsible for a number of infectious diseases like the common cold, like the epidemic influenza, like the chicken pox, like the mumps, like the rabies, like the SARS, like the AIDS, etc. So students, in this way you learn what are the different characters of the living virus, and what are the characters of the non-living. So students, you learn the very minutely, very carefully for the virus, because all of the world is suffering from the disease, and you can save sometimes, or even taking precautions. You wear the mask, always cleaning your hand wash, always cleaning your places, always sanitize the places where you live, and always sanitize every time places where you go, and here and there in the taking hygienes. And in this way, students, you stay home and do work very carefully, very nicely. Thank you so much, students.